Unlock the power of Gemini AI and transform the way you work, create, and solve problems. Let's dive into how you can harness Gemini AI's incredible capabilities. Our first step is understanding its core interface. Think of it as your intelligent conversational partner when you open Gemini. You'll typically see a prompt area where you can type your questions or requests. To get started, simply type "be clear and specific" instead of "write about cars." Try "explain the key differences between electric and hybrid car engines" for a beginner. Gemini's power lies in its versatility for content creation. Ask it to brainstorm blog post ideas, draft social media captions, or outline a video script for problem solving. Present a challenge like, "Help me brainstorm solutions to reduce plastic waste in my community." And Gemini can offer actionable suggestions. Automation is another significant application. While we won't write code, you can ask Gemini to help you understand complex processes. For example, outline the steps involved in setting up a small online store, and Gemini can provide a logical sequence. Remember, iteration is key. If the initial response isn't right, refine your prompt, add detail, specify tone, or ask for elaboration if you asked about car engines and wanted more technical detail. Follow up with "Now, explain the thermodynamic principles behind internal combustion engines in more detail." By combining clear prompts with iterative refinement, you'll maximize Gemini AI's potential. Experiment with different requests and discover how Gemini can become an invaluable tool in your workflow.